So Layla has a plastic knife that I'm letting her use, and she has some fresh parsley here. What I did, I made sure that her cutting board was stable by putting something to make sure it stayed in place. Which you can find this in any dollar store, Walmart. It's like a plastic drawer cover, and it just keeps things in place. So just use that, especially if you're cutting board, you have your children helping you. Layla, I'm going to teach you how to use the knife properly. You're going to take your fingers and curl them under the knife. You're going to use your thumb to hold the back of the knife. Hold the food firmly in place. And we're just going to try to cut as many of those stems off of the parsley, okay? So you're going to start cutting. Make sure your hand is free and clear away from the knife. Your fingers are curled under, and your thumb is on the top, not on the blade, but your thumb is on the top of the plastic. And you're going to slowly saw your way through. Ready? Okay. Good job. Doing excellent. Layla is 8 years old, and she's been cooking with me a while now, so I feel comfortable letting her at least use a plastic knife in the kitchen.
And a real one sometimes, not the pointy.